Alright, we're going to go over a little video on first aid in the wilderness. So if there's ever an injury in the wilderness, first you want to look around and figure out the scene you're in, and just make sure you go over any precautions. Maybe identify anything that could be a threat to the person's life or could further injure them. Then you want to do an exam on the person. So maybe they have a cut, a broken bone, or something of that nature. You need to figure out things about the patient and then what are the next steps to do. So once you identify the problem, you want to go ahead and treat the patient. So for example, let's say the patient got a cut on their arm. You want to make sure you have your first aid kit handy. You want to put on some gloves. Okay, you want to expose the cut. Let's say I cut my arm right here. Then you want to get some sort of something to clean it with and some soap and water, and you're going to clean off the wound. Then you want to get some sort of an ointment to put on the wound to make sure that nothing gets infected. Then you want to use a bandage and bandage it up nice so that nothing further can come from it. Then as the rest of your adventure goes on, if it is non-life-threatening, they can continue on. If not, make sure you try and get them to medical attention as soon as possible. And if you do continue on in your adventure, make sure you monitor that person and keep checking in on that injury.